Good afternoon. I just want to share something that was a really big deal for Southern California yesterday. They had to shut down I-5 at the Grapevine. That's basically the main road, main highway between the Central Valley, Bakersfield, and the LA Basin. And what happened was this storm was cold, it was snowy, it came in earlier, and it just dumped snow, and basically people got stuck. They had no traction, and they were stuck there for 5 hours. And the reason why I'm sharing you this from that location from yesterday is because there's a possibility stuff like this could happen right here at home. If there's any last-minute change with the forecast, or things overperform, or there's a slight uptick in winds, you are looking at momentary road closures and being stuck in your car for a while, because that has happened in the past with storms that we're looking at coming in, and I just don't want you to be caught off guard. My biggest piece of advice is plan on that stuff happening. That way, if it doesn't, you are prepared. If it does, you're going to be the one with all the snacks, where all your neighbors on the road are going to ask, hey, do you got anything left? I've got kids, they're hungry, what do we do? So all the winter driving tips that we share with you all the time, food, water, gloves, boots, jacket, all that stuff, keep that in mind over the next couple of days, because we're looking at not just rain and wind, but big time snow as well. The rain was pretty steady as it came in earlier this morning. There were times when it slowed down, but there's just no escaping that rain is coming to your neighborhood, and it's going to affect you at some point today. I think if anything, the rain is ramping up along with the winds late today, gusts up to 25, 30. We've been there before, but you know, when it's happening in the middle of the day, that's going to be a concern for us. But watch how things change. There's the system coming in late today. Okay, we've got some rain, we've got some snow and wind. It's good to know, and then things wind down by Wednesday. That's a sucker moment, because what happens by Wednesday night is everything comes back and everything's stronger. More wind, more rain, and more snow, and then a little bit left over early Thursday. So this has got a lot of potential to catch people off guard, because we've kind of been in this groove for a while, but we're saving the best for last. When you add up everything, couple inches of valley rain, below 5,000 feet, several inches of Sierra foothill rain, and then once you get above 5,000 feet, then 6,000, then 7,000 feet, because this snow level will rise with warmer air and wetter air. You're going to be looking at some solid feet of snow to the pass level, and certainly for the resorts. And an avalanche danger as well, because when you throw in wind and a lot of heavy snow, that's a concern. As far as the wind specifically over the next 12 hours, it will be windy. Stockton, Modesto, Sierra foothills, heads up, we're looking at stronger winds. But it's just interesting to watch this wind up, because today, that's a solid storm. But then the next one, the one tomorrow night, that's next level stuff. So we're looking at rain, wind, and snow, and the combination of that is really going to make for a dark and stormy night in Wednesday. That's when we see peak rain, peak wind, peak potential for things going wrong, even if you're at your house, like tree limbs coming down or power outages. So, you know, move your car inside, just little things to think about. Okay, before I go to bed Wednesday, I'm charging my phone, I've taken my car away from that tree that always looks weird. You're just thinking about things ahead, because you don't want to do that in the middle of the night. On Thursday, things wrap up. Friday, we're good to go through part of the weekend.